Being a frontline nation in the U.S. ongoing war on terror, Pakistan has suffered much more losses than any other country involved. Since the start of the U.S.-led invasion of Afghanistan in 2001, thousands of Pakistani citizens have lost their lives to terror-related violence. The Pakistani army has been the main target of terrorists in the past years, with the result that many of its personnel have been killed in bomb blasts or other forms of violent acts. And those families who have lost their loved ones in terror-related incidents find it very difficult to cope with the tragedy. The parents of Sajjad Khan, a young lieutenant recently killed while fighting against militants, have not come to terms with his death.
My son was martyred in this war on terror. I'm really proud of him. Even the whole village is proud of him because he gave his life so that we could live in peace.
There are many families like this one, but the ruthless tactics employed by the militants have created deep popular aversion against them.
When it was time for him to come home on leave, and I was desperately waiting for him, he was not granted leave, saying he was needed in the battlefield. When I insisted that he should take leave, at least for a short time, he refused, and instead he said, "Give me courage to fight till the end."
But such kind of public support is seen by the armed forces as an indispensable factor for success in the war.
The security forces, although they have suffered the losses during this operation, men and material both, but with the public support and with the support of the martyrs' family, rather everybody has supported the security forces in the recent operations.
Pakistan has been buffeted from two sides: militants who accuse the governments of cooperating with the United States, and the increasing number of U.S. drone attacks that have killed some 850 people, most of them civilians. Analysts say if such attacks continue, there will be a strong backlash against the army in the tribal areas. Since entering the Fatah last October, the security forces of Pakistan have carried out some 160 major and minor operations against the insurgent at the expense of the lives of over 1,000 of their comrades. This is a huge price Pakistan has paid for the so-called US-led war on terror. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.